Don't have the CD for your HP printer? No worries, I'll show you exactly how to install it on Windows 10 in just a few minutes. Welcome back. Let's quickly get your printer up and running. First, go to the official HP website and search for your printer model. Download the latest driver or HP Easy Start software.
Once downloaded, open the file and click Install. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your connection type, USB or wireless, and connect your printer when asked. You can also install your printer using Windows settings. Just go to Settings, then Devices, and click on Printers and Scanners. Click Add a printer or scanner, and select your printer from the list.
For wireless setup, make sure your printer and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then simply select your printer and install.
If your printer isn't showing up, restart both your printer and computer, and try again.
You can also click, "The printer I want isn't listed," and add it manually.
For an even easier setup, try using the HP Smart app. It makes everything super simple. And that's it. Your HP printer should be ready to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tech guides.